Hi, this is Jackie with Soluzio. In this video, I'm going to go over how to record videos, upload them to YouTube, and then post them on your webpage. This particular video is because I have a question from a librarian wanting to record videos of her reading. So I'm going to show you what to do. I'm on YouTube, but I also want to point out, bear with me for a minute. I'm using this software called OBS Studio, and that's allowing me to capture my screen. It's also, it's over there on the left-hand side of my screen, OBS Studio. What this also allows me to do is, and I realize if you can bear with the craziness up there, over here under sources, I have a couple of options. One's I've set it up for just to capture a browser, which is Firefox. Another one I have set up is to capture desktop only. I've got another view with desktop plus camera. If I click on that, that's what puts that up. But then back to desktop view. And then I have, of course, camera only, which is probably what you would want. And I shared with a priest recently over the weekend. So just know that those videos are options. You add those sources here. It gives you an option of drop downs, and hopefully each of these is pretty obvious. If you have a laptop, that's probably best because you already have a microphone in. Headsets seem to be in high demand, as do videos. So hopefully you have a laptop in order to create this capture. So audio input would be important. Browser option is there, and then window capture is another one, and then video capture device is probably the one you need most. So just a couple of details about OBS. Why OBS? Well, it's a free software and it lets you record ahead of time, and then if you need to make edits or make changes or just want to cancel and start over, this is a good software for that. And then start and stop recording is over here on the right hand side. Sorry, let me catch my breath. My videos, after they're recorded, go right into a folder. I'm going to scroll back up. And obviously, you can see it's letting me choose what portion of my screen to share. The videos actually just go right into everybody has. There's a videos folder. It's just part of a PC. I'm not as confident on a Mac where those videos would go, but those videos are right in here in this folder, and every time I stop recording, they go right in there. So that's the first task. The second would be to create a YouTube channel if you haven't already. If you have a Google account, you automatically have YouTube. Just go to studio.youtube.com or just go to youtube.com, sign in with your Google account, and it'll give you an option. It'll be named whatever your Google account is named. I have a couple of options. I can post videos as Salutio support. We have another Salutio channel called Parish Videos. I could post as myself, and then I could post as my parish, which of course, respectively, this is a Salutio support video. So know that that option's there. If you need to, if you go to your channel, we'll let you set the art. So of course, kind of like Facebook, this graphic right here is going to be that header image of sorts, or profile image, I guess you could call it. And then this picture you can change here as well. Whenever I'm in here somewhere, youtube.com/channel or studio.youtube.com, the camera icons right here, kind of in the upper right hand corner toolbar. If I click on it, it's going to give me a couple options. One is to go live. So you can go live. You can't go live from a phone unless you have 1,000 subscribers to your channel, but you can go live from a computer wherever. Or the better option, like OBS Studio has recorded a video, then I can go there, click on upload video. It's going to take me to a screen where I can drop this video in. Let me just grab one from, hopefully a short one, and hopefully not one that I've posted already, because it'll say this video already exists if it isn't already posted. Let me try this one. And I probably will cancel this after the fact, but just know that this is the process. It's going to ask you for a title. If you want to give a description, you can. If you have a series, that might be helpful. I did a training video series and just gave a little more about each video. Or that might have been how I tagged them to be all the same. After it uploads here at the bottom, it'll process. And then after it processes, it'll give you 3 thumbnails. On the next screen down, it's going to ask you, is this made for kids? My content isn't usually directed for kids, so I usually click no. If you're a teacher, school teacher, or librarian, that'll be helpful for you. It'll make you go through a couple of screens, which you can look at ahead of time. If you want to add an end screen, you can do that. And then finally, the end, is this public or is this unlisted? If it's unlisted, you can send the link to people, but it won't show up in YouTube searches. And then private, you actually have to do like a share setting, such as you might do with Google Docs or anything in Google Drive. You can schedule the post to show up at a different time, but that's the process there. Go back to the first screen, pick your thumbnail, whichever one's best, or you can upload your own thumbnail there. When you're done, this link right here is the link to the video. Hovering over this copy icon will let you copy the video URL. So what happens when I want to put that on my page? Let's go to Miss Debbie's page on her website. Like many of you, I'm working from home. I've got some nieces and nephews in the background playing, so hopefully that's not too distracting. So here's this page on the control panel. Of course, recognize this caching issue. Traffic has been pretty crazy on our sites. We'll work to alleviate that more as time goes on. So I'm going to add a new article, and again, you can see how to add videos to your site by going to Salutio University. That was there's a link for that back on the control panel, and we have a video over that there as well. I'm going to abandon this just because I don't want to post that at this point in time. And I'm going to go ahead and choose delete forever. I understand. Delete draft video. So I'm going to go use another one of my videos just for example purposes. If I'm inside of here, I can grab my video link. Again, the copy options available. And my article is still going to need a title. Still going to need a category. And then down here, there's this little insert edit media icon. I can paste the source code in there. Now there's one more trick I want to go over, a best kept secret, and that is that YouTube took away the option for hide other videos when you post something. So I've got that code saved right here. Question mark, autoplay, 0. Whoops. And so inside my article, after this is here, the embed code's in, go to toggle editor. I guess source code would be the same thing. And in the video URL right there, which is this source, src is source, I'm going to add this snippet of code. Question mark autoplay equals 0 and related equals 0. So I'm going to click OK. And then if I save that and refresh the site, whoops, my article wasn't refreshed. Oh, ha! See, it even catches me sometimes. So I'm not seeing the change because I have to go back to the control panel and choose, click here to clear the cache and force an immediate update. And there's the sample video. And of course, if I go towards the end of the video, God bless. Oh, it is still showing me some other samples. So hopefully that code works. Let me try going one more thing. If I were to go here and grab this code, well, a couple things. Share embed, I can grab this code. Need help at Saluzio University, by the way. Article manager, sample video. I'm going to take that out. And the source code, I'm going to put in a whole new video in. I'm going to grab this again. Now this has the HTTPS as part of the source, so I'm curious if that makes a difference. I'm going to go ahead and center that. And I didn't click on the video, I clicked on the paragraph outside the video to get it to center. Save and close. On the control panel, I want to click here. Then I refresh my page on the website. I'm going to see once again if this makes that less. Okay, that worked. So using the insert edit media button doesn't allow for this extra snippet of code to be added at the end so that you can control hiding other related videos or control the replay. I think that answers all of the questions about how to record a video, how to upload it to YouTube, how to post it, and then of course get it on your site so it can be viewed hopefully by children. I know some parents have concerns about making YouTube accessible to kids, but hopefully parental guidance will be available. I'm rambling. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless.